Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs. These cars use both an electric motor and a gasoline engine. They can run on electric power alone for short distances, but switch to gasoline for longer trips. The environmental impact of EVs. One of the main reasons electric vehicles are gaining popularity is their positive impact on the environment. Here's how EVs contribute to sustainability. Zero tailpipe emissions. Unlike traditional vehicles, EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, significantly reducing air pollution and helping to combat climate change. Reduction of greenhouse gases. When powered by clean, renewable energy sources such as wind or solar power, EVs can reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 70% compared to gasoline-powered cars. Improved energy efficiency. EVs are much more energy efficient than gasoline-powered cars. Electric motors are 3 to 4 times more efficient at converting energy into movement, making them a more sustainable choice in the long run. How do electric cars work? Electric cars are powered by electric motors, which run on electricity stored in batteries. These motors can be either AC or DC, depending on the design of the vehicle. Here's a breakdown of the main components of an electric car. Battery pack. The battery pack stores the energy that powers the electric motor. Most EVs use lithium-ion batteries due to their high energy density, lightweight nature, and longer lifespan. Electric motor. The electric motor takes the electricity from the battery and converts it into mechanical energy to turn the wheels.